socks? Look, those are comfy, cozy socks, aren't they? Wow, how did Santa know you like these?
There's Casey.
Oh, what's that? What is that?
Buzz Lightyear bowl.
A Buzz Lightyear bowl to eat your cereal in? Maybe we can put pasta in there?
A cereal.
And cereal? Wow. Alright. Should we see what's in Casey's stocking?
A draw. And another Buzz Lightyear on it.
Oh, wow.
Oh, these?
Yeah.
And another thing.
What's in there?
Hey,
Oh, Casey smells something in her stocking.
Yeah, we should get Casey's stocking open. She knows there's something in there. What's
Need
in
help,
here,
H?
Casey?
it's harder
Here,
than
let's see.
have another present.
There is another present. It was hiding in there. Ugh. It's almost out. Hold on. Oh, hold on a second. We're pulling something here. We pulled something.
There's Santa.
Here you go. Why don't you open that one up?
Where's like
Oh,
viewfinder to put in your viewfinder.
and Tarzan.
And
Oh.
a Tarzan? Let's see
Cool.
if there's anything else in there. Wow, we can put those in your viewfinder and see Tarzan. Won't that be nice?
A Tarzan show.
A Tarzan show and a Toy Story show.
Yeah. And a little present.
And a little present. What do you think's in there? What's in Casey's? Oh, look at that!
With the top.
A special Buzz and Woody cup.
You have your juice in that this morning.
That was pretty good. Should we open up Casey's? Here, let's let Casey open one of them, okay? So you can open that up for Casey.
Sam, open the one up.
Let's see if Casey can open this one up. What's in there, Casey? Open it up.
There.
Okay, I'll open it for you. It's a ball. It glows in the dark. Wow.
What's that, H?
The glows in the dark.
Let's see. Oh, look at that. It sheds stuff.
Right.
Look at that. Maybe Mommy won't yell at you all the time now. Let's see what else is in here, Casey.
No,
There's something else in there.
a ball.
Look, let's open up this one. Let's open up that one for Casey.
How does a dog know that it's Christmas? Look at her.
Oh, she's so nice.
What?
She's so nice.
Tennis ball.
Oh, we got some for her too, H. Yay.
Look at some presents in there too.
Oh, for Mommy and Daddy? Here we are. Post-Christmas. Here's Toots from John and Cheryl. Here we'll do a little pan of the room. Train tracks and rubby-dub toys and Big pile of clothes. Oh my goodness, this is out of control. Look at all this stuff. Stuff everywhere. Scooby Dooby. Look at this. Beautiful tree. And it continues into the next room. Hey, there's Craig's Tushy. Yeah. There's the stockings. There's the big mess. There's baby Mitchell.